this. It is Raider RDI-IBW03. Let's check what's inside. It is very little impact range. It comes with 4 amps, 20 volt battery, charger, adapter. It is 3/8 original, and the adapter is from 3/8 to half an inch. This is what dimension. There it is. It has options for the strength that it has. How does it do it? I don't know. Maybe from here, yes. First, different settings. Later will be test with the Newton meters. Yeah, it looks very nice. It is lightweight. What we have here, bracket for belt. Very nice. It has how much? 4 speeds. How much is the Newton meters? Interesting. Okay, can you see it? The Newton meters are 180 Newton meters. It was very nice. That's it for now.